Hello friends. In chapter 3 test of divisibility and factors and multiples, we have already learned about test of divisibility, factors, prime and composite numbers. Today we are going to see in this video prime factorization and highest common factor, that is HCF. First we will take prime factorization. Prime factorization means expressing a number as a product of its prime factor. यानी कोई भी एक नंबर ले लो और उसको उसके प्राइम प्रोडक्ट्स में एक्सप्रेस करो, दैट इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. हियर आई हैव टेकन 12. First I'll multiply 2 6 is 12. Now here 2 is a prime number but 6 is composite number. So again we have to split 6. This 2 we will keep as it is and 2 into 3. 2 3s is 6. Now 12 is written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That is 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. This is the prime factorization for 12. Similarly, we can do for all the numbers. Now, this prime factorization can be found out using two methods. First one is factor tree method. Here we'll take one number, suppose 24. Now, one number should be prime, that is 2 12s. This is composite. Again, 2 is prime and 6 is composite. 2 6 is 12. Now, again, 2 3s is 6. Now, all this number 2, 2 and 2 and 3, these are prime numbers. So, prime factorization for 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s is 24. Now the second method is prime factorization method. Second method, prime factorization method. Another number we will take 36. Right. In this method you have to divide it. Again divisibility rule. 6 is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. Take one number. 2 ones is 2. But here 3 is there. So 1 is remaining. One small one we will keep over here. So 2 ones are 2. Now this is 16. So 2 8s are 16. Now 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. All these are the prime factors for 36. So prime factorization for 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 3s is 36. Now, the next topic is common factors. Number that divides both the given number exactly are called the common factors. यानी दो नंबर को जो एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करता है उसे कॉमन फैक्टर कहेंगे. हियर आई विल टेक वन, आई विल फाइंड आउट द एग्जाम 6 and 8. We will find out the common factors for 6 and 8. First I will write all the factors for 6. 1 2 3 and 6. Now for 8. 1 2 4 and 8. Now what are the common factors over here? 1 and 2. So common factors is equal to 1 and 2. Now which is the highest common factor? 2. So HCF will be 2. Highest common factor for 6 and 8 is 2. Another example if we take, we will find out the HCF of 6 and 15. Okay. First we will write down the factors of 6. That is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Then 15, that is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Here 1, 3, 1, 3. So common factors are 1 and 3 and HCF is 1 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 3. Another method for finding out the HCF. Here we will take 12 and 18. 12 and 18. As we are dividing, we will divide it. 2 6 are, 2 3 are, 3 1 are. So prime factors for 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Now 18. Here it will be 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So prime factors for 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now find out the common factors in this. 2, 2, 3, 3. So HCF will be 2 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 6.